In nature, strength comes in many different forms. Some animals are defined by their raw muscle power, others by their bite force, and some by their unmatched resilience. In this video, we'll explore the strongest creatures in the animal kingdom. First, we have the elephants. They are the largest land animals on Earth. With their trunks, they can lift enormous weights and even uproot trees. When it comes to sheer muscle power, elephants reign supreme on land. But when it comes to bite force, saltwater crocodiles take the crown. Once they clamp down, their prey has almost no chance of escape. With jaws like steel, they possess the most powerful bite in the animal world. Another fascinating creature is the rhinoceros beetle. Despite its tiny size, it can carry many times its own body weight. Pound for pound, it ranks among the strongest animals on the planet. From the ocean, the colorful mantis shrimp is a true fighter. Its claws strike with such incredible speed that they can shatter glass. Despite its small size, it defeats prey with a single devastating blow. And finally, we come to the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. This microscopic creature is unmatched in endurance. It can survive extreme heat, freezing cold, radiation, and even the vacuum of space. It is practically indestructible. In the end, no single animal holds the title of the strongest. The elephant represents raw strength, the crocodile the deadliest bite, the rhinoceros beetle unparalleled proportional power, the mantis shrimp lightning-fast strikes, and the tardigrade ultimate resilience. Each dominates in its own way, showcasing the many forms of strength in the natural world. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to Animal Sphere, leave a comment, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends.